And here are the results. Thank you for checking out this landscape update, front yard landscape update, irrigation checkup. This property had a number of problems we're happy to have the opportunity to fix. As you can see now, they have the sprinklers working. Before they were not working, and they did not have a lawn over here at all. Part of the reason why that lawn was not doing well was it didn't have irrigation. So we fixed that problem. These are pop-up sprinklers, and they're good for small areas. Each sprinkler can cover up to about 15 to 20 feet. Alright. It's also common to repair small patches in the front. We're able to get that done as well. And mulched the whole front. Trimmed up the tree. Trimmed up the shrubs. Mowed the lawn. Edged everything. Went with the cocoa mulch. Thanks for checking out the video. Share, comment, subscribe. And until the next time. Peace.